Hey guys, Slicko here and welcome back to another video. On today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to download some really sick fonts that YouTubers use and some fonts that I think are cool. Or you can find any fonts you want for free, no copyright or anything. It's completely free from the browser. So yes, so as you can see, I have my browser out and now you're going to want to go ahead and type in DaFont. This one here, DaFont. Yeah, this is the link to the website if you want to go buy a link. But it is this one here, DaFont, download fonts. I'm going to go ahead and press that. And as you can see, once you got here, you're going to have a recently added fonts. So yeah, as you can see, that's some of the fonts. But here are the categories you can find. You can find for fancy. And then yeah, there are all these categories: foreign look, techno, bitmap, gothic, basic, script, best holiday, and so on. But what I like most is techno and basic. So I think I'm gonna go for techno first. I'm gonna go ahead and press techno. And as you can see, there are a lot of fonts. There's this font which is like Star Wars, and then this is like Avengers. And one of my favorite fonts is called Obelix Pro. So yeah, I recommend this font for you guys because it's a really good font. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and download this font today because I also want to show you guys how to download fonts. If you guys want me to make a separate video on fonts that I think are good, then make sure you guys comment down below and give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, Obelix Pro. And then let's go back to the theme menu. Let's go back to the themes menu. And some other fonts that I like are the basic ones. And yeah, I like all these. I like Bebas Neo. I like Lemon Milk. I like Azonix. I like all the ones so yeah, I like all the ones in here. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and try to download Azonix just to show you guys how to download. So every font you get, there's gonna be a huge download button here. So you're gonna want to go ahead and left click on that, and then there's gonna be this pop-up. So what you're gonna want to do is press save file and press OK. As you can see, it is downloading now. It is complete. So now I'm gonna open the file. There it is, and then I'm gonna go ahead and right click. Now this is how to install it. So you're gonna want to go ahead and right click, and then you're gonna want to go ahead and extract all. So yeah, extract. And then here it is. So you can check out the font first. You can check out the font first if you guys want to make sure. So yeah, as you can see, this is the font. So now you're gonna want to go ahead and right click again. You're gonna left click first and then right click again. And as you can see, there is an install button here. So you're gonna want to go ahead and press install. Installing Azonix regular. And then once that pop-up is gone, that means that your font is downloaded. So now I'm gonna go X out of everything and I'm gonna show you guys the font. So for example, I think I'm gonna go to Photoshop just to show you guys that the font really is available and it is downloaded. And I'm gonna go to file, new. I'm just gonna make a random key. I'll press OK, and then, and then I'm gonna go to the text bar, and I'm gonna go to A. And as you can see, Azonix are right here. So now let's see. Azonix. Make that black. Let me make that black. And as you can see, oh, I forgot to do the A. And yeah, as you can see, it is exactly like the one we found online. So yeah, this is basically how to download fonts. I have so many more downloaded fonts in Photoshop. As you can see, Bebas, I already downloaded that, and then Blue Brush is also a font I downloaded, and then yeah. So this is kind of just like how to install it. So yeah, if you guys want me to make a separate video on the recommended fonts that I like, then make sure you guys comment down below and tell me. So yeah, this is basically just to show you, and let's pretend like we're making like a thumbnail or something. So how to record video. Let's pretend you're gonna want to make that video. So here you go. How to record video, and then there you go. As you can see. So yeah, guys. Anyways, guys, if you guys want me to make another separate video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if this video was helpful, also give that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.